So guys, I welcome you to the lecture series on Linux. And today's the question is why Unix or Linux is known as multitasking operating system. So let's discuss. As you know, the kernel device have the time allocated to the tasks, and each of them is known as time slice. So the kernel is responsible for running the tasks on the CPU and saving their state and removing them and then replacing them with the next tasks for its allocated slice of time. And what happens there? Because this gives the impression that the system is performing many tasks concurrently, but it is in fact performing small part of each task one at a time in quick succession. Okay, so that's why it looks like that many tasks or many means processes are simultaneously being what performed. Now, the processes whereby the kernel swaps stacks on or off, then in the CPU is known as what? Context switching. Means one process is being assigned the CPU and then other process needs to wait for that particular time slot. Okay, and after that, next process will be allocated like that. So what happens? Context switching occurs, and each task has its own environment or context which the kernel has to remember in order to fool the process that it is running on the CPU all on its own without any interruptions. That's it. So that's why Unix or Linux is multitasking operating system. One word answer that because of the time slice, okay, assigned to every task, and that is too small that we will have a feeling that many tasks are concurrently being run. Okay, so today's question is that why Linux is known as multitasking operating system and what do you understand by context switching? Do comment the answer and we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, guys, take care. Bye bye.